Hey guys, welcome back to day 2, part 2, series 2, series 1 I mean. So we've got Luke on the job on the lip this morning. Then we've got, just please don't look at this. Then we've got the slot box burn still.
Yeah, we already know about the berm.
Please don't look in that. And we've got that still. And this morning our focus is just to get this landing.
Make the landing bit shorter so we can actually clear it. Thanks to Ollie, he wants us to build a road gap.
Yeah, please never get Ollie on the job again.
3, 2,
And we'll
1.
let you know what happens. Times. But then we've got Zay just standing there doing nothing.
Right.
The landing's looking minty. Finished her off. Looking pretty good.
Did you start for the girl garden event? No, it was actually good.
That's good.
You're so